How many people are like, you know what, I just don't get it. I just can't have that conversation. And so I'm out. I'm just gonna leave this business because it's just too tricky, it's too difficult, I'm not natural, or I don't know what to say, I don't have the right scripts, or whatever the reasons are, and then people leave the business. Why is that?
Well, we didn't go to elementary school and junior high and high school and college, and they have a class going, this is how you talk to a motivated seller, right? So it's a little bit awkward.
Yeah.
So the first thing is you have to do it. Right? You have to take reps at this. It's something new. But the more that you do it, the more comfortable that you're going to be, the more certain you're going to be. And what you really need to focus on is understanding that there's only 4 things you need to talk to a seller about. Only 4 things, 4 main pillars that you need to talk to a seller about. The condition of the property, their timeline to sell that property, their motivation to sell it, or what is their problem, and what price do they want for it. If you are bringing the conversation back to those 4 pillars, you will win, because that will help pre-qualify and see if they actually have a problem that you can solve.
Yeah.
So if you have those 4, you can mix and match however it is with your personality, the way that you want to ask those questions. You know, when you get certain objections or you get certain responses, there's only a certain amount that people will give you, right? They want too much for the property. They have other people that they're thinking about selling the property to. The timing isn't right now. All of these things, just practice and figure out what response works the best for you. Come up with a couple different responses and you are off and running.
You really just want to get out there and practice. It's amazing. Your 10th conversation is going to be way better than your first conversation. Your 100th conversation is going to be way better. It's going to suck at first. You're going to sound like an idiot. You're going to screw up. It's okay. It's okay. Just the more you do it, the better you get at it.